Your visa can get rejected even if you have strong home ties, enough money, and perfect documents. Why? Because your purpose of visit statement was unclear, vague, or unconvincing. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what embassies want to see in your purpose of visit, the biggest mistakes people make, and how to write one that actually gets approved. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel helps you avoid visa rejections by teaching you what embassies actually look for. In our last video, we covered home ties, which is the #1 reason for refusals. Today, we're focusing on rejection reason number 4, an unclear purpose of visit. It might sound simple, but it's one of the most misunderstood parts of visa applications. Let me give you some facts. Statistics show that unclear or unrealistic travel purpose causes roughly 15 to 20% of all visa rejections worldwide. For Schengen visas, failure to justify the purpose and conditions of stay is one of the main refusal reasons. For UK visas, unclear travel plans result in thousands of rejections every year. And for Canadian visas, not convincing the officer about your purpose of travel is a major cause of denial. The good news? These rejections are completely preventable when you understand what's expected. So what exactly is a purpose of visit statement? Simply put, it's your explanation of why you're traveling to that specific country. It answers one core question: what will you do there? Whether it's tourism, business, visiting family, attending a conference, medical treatment, or anything else, you must explain it clearly. And here's the key: it's not enough to just write tourism or business. You need specific, believable, and verifiable details that prove your purpose is genuine. So how do you write a strong and convincing purpose of visit statement? Follow this simple structure. First, state your purpose clearly and specifically. Don't just say tourism or business. Mention exact dates, cities, and activities. For example, I will be visiting Paris from the 12th to the 18th of March to attend the Food and Beverage Expo and meet 2 suppliers. Clear, specific, verifiable. Second, explain why this trip is necessary or important right now. Embassies want to know why this country, why these dates, and why not later. Your reasoning must make sense for your personal or professional situation. Third, match every claim with supporting evidence. If you say you're attending a conference, show the registration. If you say you're touring museums, include your planned itinerary. If you say you're visiting family, include their invitation letter. Your purpose and your documents must align perfectly. Fourth, make sure your purpose is realistic for your background. If you are a first-time traveler, don't claim overly ambitious plans. If your finances are limited, avoid expensive or long itineraries. Your purpose must feel believable based on your job, income, and personal profile. And fifth, clearly explain your return plans. Embassies don't only care about why you're going. They care even more about why you're coming back. Mention your job, business responsibilities, studies, property, or family obligations that require your return after the trip. Remember, your purpose of visit statement is not just a formality. It is one of the most important parts of your visa application. A vague purpose can ruin an otherwise strong file, but a clear, detailed, and well-supported purpose can be the difference between rejection and approval. So how do you make this easier for yourself? Once you understand the structure, you can use tools that help you check whether your purpose of visit is clear, logical, and consistent with your documents. There's a free purpose of visit checker that guides you step by step. You simply select your travel reason, enter your trip dates, destinations, and planned activities. The tool highlights any missing details, unrealistic explanations, or contradictions that could lead to a refusal. It doesn't write the purpose for you. It helps make sure what you write is believable and embassy ready. If you want to access it, I've added a link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, because the next video will show you the biggest cover letter mistakes that cause rejections, and how to fix them before you apply. See you in the next one.